Hello there, welcome to the EduFel. I am Dr. Niaz. Today our topic is Proposal Development Part 3. Today we will discuss the literature review or Chapter 2. Now, first of all, let's try to understand what is a literature review. A literature review discusses published information in a particular subject area and sometimes information in a particular subject area within a certain time period. As you can see in the slide, a literature review can be just a simple summary of sources, but usually has an organizational pattern and combines both summary and synthesis. A summary is a creep of important information of the source. But let's check this slide. A synthesis is a reorganization or a reshuffling of that information. It might give a new interpretation of old material or combine new with old interpretations, or it might trace the intellectual progression of the field, including major debates. And depending on the situation, the literature review may evaluate the sources and advise the reader on the most pertinent or relevant. Please look into the slide carefully. I have given as an example the first line. You can see leaders reach to their goal through a path. First written as leader, the second is written as the path, and the third is written as the goal. We have to compare or synthesize our conceptual framework in accordance to that framework. That is, leader was adjusted to the instructional leadership, and path was adjusted to the school culture, and the goal was adjusted to the school effectiveness, which is the goal of this research. To find out the school effectiveness is the goal or the aim of this research. In this slide 5, I've given the conceptual framework to make you understand better. Keeping in view the conceptual framework, as you can see in the slide and the title that we have supposed in the previous two videos, such as teachers' perceptions of the relationship between principals' instructional leadership, school culture, and school effectiveness in secondary schools. First of all, we will discuss the dependent variable, that is school effectiveness, and according to the parameters such as summary and synthesis, as we have discussed in the previous slides. While looking into the slide number 6, on the same way, we at second number, we will discuss the independent variable, that is instructional leadership, as you can see in this slide. Also keep in mind the two parameters, that is the summary of the previous studies or models and synthesis, that to put some new concepts into the previous studied models. Similarly, look into the 7th slide at third number, the mediating variable, that is school culture, might have discussed in the light of the summary of the previous summary and new synthesis parameters. While looking into the slide number 8, I will suggest at the last of the chapter number 2, the demography of the teachers, such as experience, qualification, professional training, and political background, etc., might be shed light on the two parameters such as summary, that is previous work, and synthesis, to put new ideas in the previous work. The secondary schools in the context might also be discussed, as it is the part of the title as well. Generally, students copy and paste the literature randomly without any sequence, which seems a heap of the literature, and it causes to increase plagiarism as well. Looking into the slide number 9, I have summarized few characteristics of the literature review or chapter 2 that should be followed strictly while conducting the literature review. For example, sentences. Keep in mind, please write short sentences which might be understood easily. Don't make repetition of the words. For example, if I write the word similarly, and next sentence I should write the word on the same way instead of the previous word. Each paragraph might have a relationship with the next paragraph. For example, if I am discussing instructional leadership and the next paragraph is about the school effectiveness, I should end the paragraph with a sentence such as good principals have contribution to the school effectiveness, and next I should start the paragraph about the school effectiveness. The language of the grammar and punctuation should be checked thoroughly because the meaning of the sentence might be changed or become out of understanding of the readers. Always try to provide new in-text citations other than exceptional cases. Thank you very much for watching Proposal Development Part 3, how to write the literature review or chapter 2. Hopefully we'll see you with the next video. I will appreciate your feedback and some questions in the comment section. Thank you very much.